So I woke up this morning and noticed that my temperature gauge / compass stopped working, so I decided to make a guide on how to repair it real quick. And the problem here is a simple resistor solder fix that you can do. A lot of people are selling the repair itself on eBay, and it looks like it's fairly easy to do, so most people with basic soldering skills can probably do it themselves. So as you can see here, it's completely dead. And with a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew this screw here. Once you do that, you'll want to put a little bit of pressure here in the back, push forward, and then pull it down. There's 2 clips down there. Once you take it down, you'll notice that there's a couple of wire harnesses there, and they're connected with 2 clips that you'll have to remove. So there they are right there. So you just kind of press down and then they just slide out. And then the unit itself is held with 3 Torx screws. So once you remove those, it'll pretty much just expose the unit itself. Lift it up and set it aside. Just be very careful when you are taking this thing apart. These little clips here don't have much flex. Broke this one here on the left, so I'll just have to live without that one. And the problem here lies in the resistor labeled 510. You can see there where I soldered that. The problem here is it gets so hot that this point here just becomes loose, so you just have to resolder this and use a 15-watt soldering iron. Once you screw the 3 Torx screws, you place the wires back in until they clip. Pop it back into place. So now you'll want to put in the last screw, which is right here. We are back online.